eba attention TV so mo sonfo akwie ntwa na sabre meti ase kutu amede ensem ede ba begu apon so ma so wanya bieti na meka ase dwumaku a esomase a enne metime nan so me mo ayedududu ye oba tampa travel and tour agency for na esomase a sabre mede sa dwumadi efrem pacho se wo hia oba tampa na wo ne omo adi nkoma me pacho eni di ma omonama no egu screen na nima akakraka pa o from a ono medi nkomo o maksa ma update about wakwantu mu nsem nyina na we na ena na pay da sorry ya nkan kromu ha ya na se yetete ntokwa ekokọ okoso ewo oman mi te se Congo ene Gabon ene Russia ai ntokọ bi akokọ okoso na kire se ano odin papa na we na abemu abi a owo Ghana ha ai abema ebe a owo Ghana ha sei a ono so ete baabi a pese ono so eyeku etia Ghana na we ya yenua ba vim lady ebe ka asase mi ase yenhwe ne ye na ntokwa etimi esi wo Gabon no ebe betimi abesi ewo Ghana di Ghana fo nso yenhwe yenhu sie anase yenso yemo mmode esi anokwan ye dwedwe ma na chese ekuo bi e yate wo oman Russia mu chese ayese ekuo unse first no esi yeti okot group ai no mu hia na chede we die eyeku eku atese o mate wo Russia memo a abemu eye owo Ghana sa na chese eku owo mu bia chese ono so ebopo na chese ne esi wo Ghana no ono Gabon no ono so ebopo a ono so pese oyeku ditia Ghana ban ne na pamfo me so ye nhwe ne a ekoso basi
Omambian security settings are different. Omambian homeland security are different from one another. A case in Togo might not be the same thing in basic Ghana, and as a case in Cote d'Ivoire, security situation in Cote d'Ivoire is the same thing in all Ghana. One, let me emphasize and say Ghana is still the security alert. We are still in green.
Angel FM.
We haven't even triggered into yellow and then to slip into red. Into for the benefits of anybody listening, for our destiny, I can tell and I can say we are still operating within the green security zone. And the Western and international community, the security community, they are aware. Now, case in perspective, there are 2 young boys be. Only 6 or 5, only 10.
5.
Almost Almost Wagner linked. My main concept in the history of Ghana, on the land of Ghana, our land security system, the land security system, have provided and made it difficult for individuals to sit in any bush to plan or to gather to organize any kind of a grouping. The security land security system. 2, you need, and I remain, any terrorist group linked to Ghana to that extent. You need rebellion group, and you need Al-Qaeda, you need jihadism, you need Protestants, you need vigilante, you need any coordinated group or uniform T in Europe. 3, Ghana, any say military or police, we have group of persons, individuals are only in Tvgh show me. I will not go much because of time. The reality is that you can have group of individuals, not only these boys here, almost so propagating and almost propagating the agenda of ISIS, Al-Qaeda. They try to link them, and then now call it, they are scamming them also, like Obiti say, Oka say, Omuya Wagner. Papa, Obi Onoya Wagner related and like Wagner sponsor group, $691 transfer. $6,000 transfer for rebellion activity to topple a nation. Seriously, it's a comic relief.
Back 1,000.
Make sure say a group 6,000 coordinated operations. They are free to cry. They are back. The reality is a rebellion, terrorism. Yanyen krumfimfini. Yankwatro bifi enabeye. Obaya, you need the bush. No Ghanaian bush belongs to the Republic of Ghana. For us, say, individual betting. I've made this analysis on the blind side on your somewhere platform. Meaning, say, even the Ghana army are under the General Rawlings, almost try coup d'etat against Rawlings for 24 times from 82 until it became a civilian government. They didn't have any household in terms of a bush to stay in. You cannot. The country is secured by our land system that is say a chrono and an assassin. No. Republic of Ghana hasn't got land anywhere. Land the Republic of Ghana will be Okotoye, including the first half of Susufodia, anytime, including Castle, Usufodia, President Kufu at that time, until you cannot go and hide in somebody's farm. When Tim go, be school park, so say a training now. If what we are hearing is right, or be so a demonstrations, the working, or a demonstration of Western region, and now they are back, no match. Yana, yet a young shaman for yes, you could, and to the fisherman, not to Western wherever, at the back Accra, at the ABT government. Let me tell you, one smart thing Ghanaians do not know. Yani, the only country in West Africa, your presidency is the middle of the city. Middle of the city. Your military barracks, Abeka, middle of the city. And to be baby to a bang, a baby you could be Jenny Maquemho, and also baby Jina Kanda, and Robert to presidency. And as a trot roach no abijinaho. Is that how the operation will be? But let me just quick to say, these are fine realities. Yes, document to be a reportage near that. People have attempted also to overheat the security port in this country, whereas money has been generated. It ended nowhere. I will not go through and whatever, but you remember, said the same Western region. Yenya suspected Ogoni, Kuvia Domamino a program with that. Yenya suspected a Haida, and so about Western region. Yase Ifwaba, Boko Haram. Emma ye move the security apparatus, the security operation team, Ukruma, police, military, BNI combined, Edom Kota Kradi Koda Hotel be cry asem. Anomaba Yanchi Biama. And this kind of news, net says boys, say t-shirt, what class t-shirt, and I say a print here. Wagner operator be no communicate here. Who says, do we know the letters other people are writing from their homes? Said they are able to coordinate and to create the operation Waha. Uvi is a Boko Haram, any Ansawad and Sardine, operations on Malini Burkina, Omon try said, Ombenya partners Waha to stage, to create, so a better vigilante. The country itself is not possible. I'm telling you.
Boys, scamming
almost Timbi, almost Obi. Self Russia embassy, yourself Togo embassy. I don't care. What I'm saying is that Ghana is unfriendly nation when it comes to coordinated operations in a uniform. Country who you in uniform that you want blue beret to Krum had that since independence. Chem one single war. Civil war, chieftaincy related. The only existing war, Alabanyon Konya, Tiabo friend and Tokwa.
Angel FM.
You cannot. Kofi, Tama, Papa Vidia by me no Kasa several times as the Kofi, it will go nowhere. Transport up to Gola. It was a nonsense. The country does not. One will say, yeah, so unified entity. The Ghanaians, we underestimate our security, the gifted security that God has given to this country. Meaning, say, the Yakabebia economic highest pool in the country, the highest economic pool in the country is nowhere than the Western region. Why? Gold, diamond, cocoa, etc. Blah blah blah. If the people of Western region, the whole Western region, say we are not having a fair share of the cake, national cake, in Tiano. Yet here, may God forbid. That is not because they are part of the republic, so they can do that. So almost 2.1, and the whole Western region population about 2.3 or 2.5. And we see, so because Nauru, any lower land, it be just 12,000 in a country. Saying the UN because okay, more resources to take care of them and more. There is nothing like that on any part of Ghana on the table. Say a certain region want to defect. Now, or self-determination. It would be very difficult for any individual groupings. Say or back abi room, no more baby share baby abi trainee. Them now koye coup. Treasonable offense or kwaku to president alajo bedroom.
me da se se oje bre twem me se wa wo hu emranti omo ye miensa pa poli eh eche se Ghana so de yeti ha ko ti se yeti anada ko mo di ja ba twie nyina mu emranti ye miensa na Ghana police for aye adwuma pama omonsa akoso mo nyamisha Ghana police for ne mo adwuma pa mo ye emranti miensa na che se ano odin pa me da se se oje bre twem mo so mfo akwentu amakra